So you get qualified quicker, easier, faster, and without judgment. Our goal is to make sure we simplify your life. Things happen. We've done it all before. Maybe you've charged up your credit cards. I did in my 20s. I don't believe in the shame factor. I believe in the learning factor and lessons learned. So we definitely get folks approved quicker, and we are open to the conversation every single day. It's not a 9-to-5 operation. I've had folks who've asked me questions about, well, if I wanted to put this much down, will I be able to buy a home? Or how do I plan to put money away for a home? Well, we can give you those options and tools on how to purchase a home with as little as 3.5% down. And I think one of the big things that happened in Florida, which was unfortunate, is with the meltdown with the housing market, a lot of folks became upside down. So they owed more on the mortgage, and you still see that than the value. So we have this great program where we can actually refinance you, even if you owe more on the note, on the loan, than the actual value without an appraisal, and save you $300-400 a month and get you a rate in the 4s or even the 3s, fixed rate. So it's life-changing.
You've got a lot of different options there.
We do, and I find that exciting because I think that with life in general, we all face challenges, and so we are here to make sure that the challenges that we are facing, we can actually remove them. And there's, it's a very circular. So you may have purchased a home, maybe you're looking at a bigger home, maybe you're looking to refinance and at some point buy a vacation home or even have a mortgage-free option. So we can do all of the above. The no factor doesn't exist at Mosa Mortgage because we have so many different products and we care. The kindness factor is very important. I think lending can be, it's a funny thing. A lady had called me the other day and she asked me a few questions, and she had said that, is her existing bank going to be compassionate about her situation? And I'm a big believer in being compassionate. However, with lending, generally speaking, the answers are quick and they're very far removed from your situation or rarely sympathetic. So our goal, we're a family-owned business. My brother and I started the company, and we are really all about taking care of our listeners and the people that reach out to us. And so we want to make sure that we can get you to that point. Whether it's a fact that you can't do it today, we can help repair and rebuild and get you to a point where you can refinance or buy that first home or that second home. Or for folks who are already there, pay less on the mortgage. Most people are paying a lot higher than what they should be on that mortgage. And that's, let's say, 25% of your household income is going towards high credit card debt and a higher mortgage payment. So let's work on that together and take that money and make sure you're putting it towards your family, your faith, and towards your future, not towards your existing bank because they feel that they can get away with it, that they can charge you a higher rate.